What's up guys, my name is Ecstatic.eth and today I am going to show you Liquid Driver, which is a protocol on the Phantom Opera network, and how you can take part in yield farming on the protocol. As a disclaimer, this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. The crypto space is incredibly risky and I urge you to do your own research. So a quick overview of the Liquid Driver native token. It is currently $14.63. And if we take a look at the price history, we can see that it has gone from $2 all the way up to $14 in a matter of about a month. Liquidity Driver is the first liquidity mining decentralized app providing liquidity as a service on the Phantom Opera network. So Liquid Driver has partnered with a few networks such as Grim Finance, Spirit Swap, Spooky Swap, and Olympus in order to bring this protocol and ecosystem to life. So this is how Liquid Driver works. The users will provide liquidity pool tokens into their staking pools, and that liquidity is then redeposited into their partners' staking pools. And the rewards and yields from their partners' staking pools are then sent to their revenue sharing vault. So this cycle incentivizes holders to lock away their earned Liquid Driver tokens in order to gain these rewards, which actually remove the supply from circulation. So now we're going to look at some of the methods you can do to get these Liquid Driver tokens. So to visualize how this works, we're going to go to this section here, which is the staking pools where you provide liquidity. So here we have the liquidity pools. So we have Spirit Swap liquidity pools, as well as Spooky Island, Magic Land, and Beethoven X. So to break these down, this number here represents the portion of the total value of all these pools. So here we have total value locked, the APR of this current pool, the amount staked, and LP price, APR you get in the Liquid Driver token, and the trading fee APR. So we're actually going to provide some liquidity to this pool. So if we click approve, we do have the transaction to give permission to access the Spirit LP. 3 cents, confirm. And being this is on the Phantom network, the transaction should happen pretty quickly. And here we go. So now you can zap right into the pool using just your Phantom tokens alone. So we're going to zap into this liquidity pool. So what's great is you just have to provide one token and it will automatically give you the other distribution for you. So for this example, we will do 10 Phantom. And this should automatically convert the 10 Phantom into a 50-50 split of Liquid Driver and Phantom LP tokens. So zap. Yep, so it's a 50-50 split. This looks good to me, so let's confirm zap. And we will have to sign the transaction, which is about 9 cents. So we'll confirm this. So now looking at our MetaMask, we can see we have the Phantom as well as the Spirit LP token. So we can go ahead and stake, do max, confirm, sign the transaction, and now we can see our total staked amount in dollar value. So now over time we should start earning Liquidity Driver from this pool. So now it's been a few minutes and as we can see we have already earned 0.0001 Liquid Driver. So this obviously looks small, but then again I did only deposit about $20 worth of liquid. So in the meantime I'm just going to go buy some Liquidity Driver tokens from Spooky Swap. So here we have Spooky Swap, so I'm going to swap 100 Phantom for 16 Liquidity Driver tokens. So press swap, waiting for confirmation, sign the transaction submitted, and this should be done in a matter of seconds. So here we go, a couple of seconds later, 100 Phantoms swapped for 16 Liquidity Driver tokens. So next we're going to look at xLQDR Driver, which is based off Curve Finance vested Curve contract. So as well as having the revenue sharing vault, xLQDR Driver will have some other use cases in the future. So we're going to lock away our Liquid Driver tokens so we can start earning rewards from the revenue sharing vault. So you can claim these rewards daily. Now in order to start claiming these rewards, you will have to lock away your tokens for at least one whole epoch, which will be 24 hours. So if I lock away my tokens now, I will have to wait for this epoch to finish in 17 hours and another 24 hours on top of that. So here are a few stats like the total locked tokens, the average lock time, so this is roughly 2 years, and the total amount of locked Liquid Driver currently. So here we have the revenue sharing vault and what you're actually getting. So here we have the rewards that you'll get, which will be Liquid Driver, Phantom, Boo, Liquid linSPIRIT, which I'll get to later, and Spell. And this is the APR you will get on each of these tokens. So the math on locking away your Liquid Driver is as follows. If I lock one Liquid Driver for 2 weeks, I will get 0.02 locked Liquid Driver in return. However, if I lock this away for 2 years, I will get it at a 1-to-1 ratio. So we're going to lock away these Liquid Driver tokens for the total of 2 years. Approve, and we will have to pay a transaction for cents, confirm. So now that is approved, we can now go ahead and lock our Liquid Driver. So max, 2 years, lock Liquid Driver, another transaction, confirm, and this should happen in a matter of seconds. So we will see if this updates automatically. Otherwise, Power of DeFi, just refresh, and that generally helps. So now we have our total locked Liquid Driver, and when it is locked till. So you can add to your total locked amount, however you can't have separate vesting periods. So now I can only lock mine for at least 2 years. And down here we have withdraw Liquid Driver once the vesting period has finished. And in roughly 40 hours I will be able to start claiming these rewards from the revenue sharing vault. Next we're going to look at linSPIRIT. So linSPIRIT is a wrapped version of linSPIRIT. linSPIRIT, unlike inSPIRIT, is liquid. While still earning the weekly trading fee based rewards from inSPIRIT, it is based on Spirit Swap's WinSPIRIT model. So you can swap Spirit for linSPIRIT at a 1-to-1 ratio using their liquid swapper. But in order for you to trade it back, you will need to use a DEX such as Spirit Swap. So next we have bonding, which takes you to the Olympus Pro interface. So currently Olympus Pro for Phantom doesn't have too many options available. On the Ethereum network they've got a lot more bonds available, but for Phantom not so much right now. So next we have Bridge, which just takes you to the Spirit Swap Bridge protocol. So next we've got Governance, where you can vote on proposals, so there's none active at the moment. And then we've got Docs for documentation, which is the white paper on the protocol. So they did also used to have a lottery system in place where you could swap Liquid Driver tokens for a lottery ticket, and that Liquid Driver used to buy the lottery tickets would be the prize. But it sounds like they have discontinued it. So Liquid Driver is currently in phase 3.0 of their roadmap, where they are looking to extend their collaborations with other partners, as also introduce shadow farms. So with a market cap of 50 million, this protocol still has a long way to go in terms of growth, and I think this could be a very successful project on the Phantom network, and a great way to just generate yields in different token rewards. So overall, I think Liquid Driver is just an excellent protocol, and I can't wait to see what it has in store for the future. Also, please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and also come hang out in our Discord where we talk about crypto and everything else. That's it for the video, so I will see you guys in the next one.